Are you constantly sabotaging your own success without even realizing it? You might be shocked to discover that the biggest obstacle standing between you and your dreams is your own mind. In this eye-opening video, we'll unveil 15 insidious lies you've been telling yourself that are holding you back from achieving your true potential. Failing to confront these self-deceptions could leave you trapped in a cycle of mediocrity, missing out on the extraordinary life you deserve. Stay tuned to uncover which of these lies you've been believing. The truth may surprise you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more life-changing insights. 1. The procrastinator's paradox. I'll start tomorrow. This classic lie is the enemy of progress. Every time you postpone action, you're not just delaying a task, you're delaying your life and dreams. Success doesn't wait for those who hesitate. It's a train that only stops for those ready to board today. For example, aspiring entrepreneurs who constantly put off starting their business often find themselves years later, still dreaming instead of doing. 2. The time trap. I don't have enough time or energy. This deception is easy to believe, but hard to overcome. The reality is that we all have the same 24 hours. The difference lies in prioritization and efficiency. A busy executive might claim they don't have time to exercise, but by waking up 30 minutes earlier or optimizing their lunch break, they could easily fit in a workout. 3. The age excuse. It's too late to change. This lie is your fear talking, not fact. Change is always possible, regardless of age or circumstances. Consider Colonel Sanders, who started Kentucky Fried Chicken at 65, or Grandma Moses, who began painting at 78. These examples prove that it's never too late to pursue your passions and achieve success. 4. The impostor syndrome. I'm not good enough. This self-doubt can be paralyzing, but it's often based on unrealistic comparisons. Remember, you're measuring yourself with someone else's ruler. A novice writer might feel inadequate compared to best-selling authors, but overlook the years of practice and persistence that led to their success. 5. The defeatist attitude. I can't make a difference. This mindset undermines your potential impact. Every significant change starts with one person deciding to make a difference. Consider Greta Thunberg, who began as a lone protester and sparked a global climate movement. Your actions, no matter how small, can create a ripple effect of positive change. 6. The perfectionist's trap. I need to be perfect. Perfectionism is an illusion that often leads to paralysis. Embracing imperfection and focusing on progress over perfection is key to success. Steve Jobs, known for his perfectionism, learned to launch good enough products and iterate, leading to Apple's phenomenal success. 7. The happiness mirage. I'll be happy when I'm rich. This lie assumes happiness is a destination rather than a journey. Wealth can amplify your current state, but it doesn't guarantee happiness. Lottery winners often report being no happier after their windfall, proving that joy comes from within, not from external circumstances. 8. The difficulty deception. It's too hard to achieve my dreams. While dreams may be challenging, they're rarely impossible. This lie is often a comfort zone buffer against the fear of failure. J.K. Rowling faced numerous rejections before Harry Potter was published, but her persistence led to extraordinary success. Break your dreams into actionable steps and start climbing. 9. The independence illusion. I don't need help. This ego trap can severely limit your growth. No one achieves greatness alone. Even the mightiest have mentors and support systems. Elon Musk, despite his genius, relies heavily on teams of experts to bring his visions to life. Embrace collaboration and support to propel yourself forward. 10. The strength myth. I must always be strong. Constant strength is unsustainable and unrealistic. It's okay to have moments of vulnerability. They don't diminish your strength, but humanize you. Even world leaders and top athletes have moments of doubt or weakness. True resilience comes from acknowledging these moments and bouncing back. 11. The failure phobia. Failure is not an option. This mindset can paralyze you with fear. Failure is not just an option, it's an inevitable part of the journey to success. Thomas Edison's 1,000 failed attempts at the light bulb weren't failures, but steps towards success. Embrace failure as a learning opportunity and a stepping stone to achievement. 12. The work-life fallacy. I can't be successful and have a balanced life. This false dichotomy assumes success and balance are mutually exclusive. In reality, balance fuels success by preventing burnout and fostering creativity. Michelle Obama, despite her high-profile career, emphasizes the importance of family time and self-care, proving that balance and success can coexist. 13. The money myth. Money won't solve all my problems. While money isn't a cure-all, it can solve many life problems. Distinguishing between life problems and money problems is crucial. Financial stability can alleviate stress related to basic needs, allowing you to focus on personal growth and life's bigger questions. 14. The self-sabotage. Lie. People like me don't become successful. This insidious belief often masquerades as humility, but is rooted in fear and insecurity. Success isn't reserved for a select few, it's the result of effort and perseverance. Oprah Winfrey, born into poverty, became one of the most influential media moguls through determination and hard work. 15. The passive hope trap. Someday, my life will get better on its own. Hoping without action is like waiting for a ship at the airport. Change requires effort and proactive steps. Instead of passively waiting for life to improve, take control and make it happen. Every successful person has stories of taking initiative to create the life they wanted rather than waiting for it to happen. In conclusion, recognizing and confronting these lies is the first step towards unlocking your true potential. Remember, the power to change your life lies within you. If you're intrigued by the idea of breaking free from these self-imposed limitations and achieving extraordinary success, keep watching our previous videos. We tackle more ways to overcome mental barriers and reveal the surprising strategies that can lead you to financial freedom and personal fulfillment. Your journey to an authentic, successful life starts with conquering these lies.